Year 2025 is right around the corner, and the job market is looking different. AI is changing everything, automating jobs left and right, but it's also creating a ton of new opportunities. So how do you navigate this new landscape? How do you decide whether to stick with the security of a job or take the leap and start your own business? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're talking about the pros and cons of each path, the key factors you need to consider, and what it really takes to thrive in 2025 and beyond. So, grab your notebooks, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get started. Arjun, input the growth blueprints. Okay, let's be real, there's a certain level of comfort that comes with having a job. You clock in, you clock out, you get that sweet direct deposit every 2 weeks. It's predictable, it's stable, and let's face it, that stability is pretty darn attractive, especially in today's economy. Even in 2025, with robots coming for our jobs, a lot of traditional jobs are evolving. Remote work is becoming the norm, and companies are starting to prioritize work-life balance. But you're always going to be trading time for money, your income is capped, and office politics can be a real drag. So if you thrive on routine and value stability, a job might be a good fit. Now let's talk about the sexy side of the equation, building a business. In 2025, it's never been easier to start, scale, and automate a business. Thanks to the internet, social media, and AI tools, you can launch a global business from your couch. We're talking unlimited income potential, the freedom to work from anywhere, and the satisfaction of being your own boss. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Building a business takes guts, hustle, and a whole lot of caffeine-fueled nights. For those who are willing to put in the work and embrace the risk, the rewards can be life-changing. Alright, so we've covered the pros and cons of both jobs and businesses, but how do you know which one is right for you? It all boils down to your personality, your goals, and your risk tolerance. If you thrive in a structured environment, value stability and predictability, and prefer to clock out at 5 p.m., then a job might be the perfect fit. You can focus on developing valuable skills, climbing the corporate ladder, and enjoying the perks of a steady paycheck. But if you're a go-getter, a risk-taker, someone who craves control over their time, income, and destiny, then the entrepreneurial path might be calling your name. Just be prepared for long hours, a steep learning curve, and a whole lot of trial and error. Ultimately, it's about finding the path that aligns with your values, your aspirations, and your definition of success. Now, regardless of whether you choose a job or a business, one thing's for sure, the future belongs to those who are adaptable, skilled, and constantly learning. The job market is evolving faster than ever, and the skills that are in demand today might be obsolete tomorrow. It means investing in yourself, developing in-demand skills like coding, digital marketing, data analysis, the kind of skills that robots can't yet replicate. And most importantly, it means cultivating a growth mindset, embracing challenges as opportunities for learning, and constantly seeking ways to innovate and stay ahead of the curve. So, there you have it guys, the breakdown of jobs versus businesses in 2025. It's a tough decision, but hopefully this video has given you the clarity and confidence to make the choice that's right for you. Now I want to hear from you. Are you leaning towards the stability of a job or the excitement of building a business? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to drop a like on this video. It really helps out the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Alright guys, that wraps up today's video. I hope you found it valuable, and remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer here. Whether you choose the stability of a job or the freedom of running your own business, the most important thing is that you take action and go after what you want. Remember, the landscape of work is changing rapidly, and those who adapt and embrace the opportunities in front of them will be the ones who thrive. Until next time, stay focused, stay hungry, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.